Summer is the perfect time to give your home a fresh and vibrant look. While many homeowners focus on sprucing up their gardens and outdoor spaces, it's important to not overlook the front entrance, as it sets the tone for your entire home. If you have an iron door, you have the unique opportunity to make a bold statement. Today, we will explore 3 different ways to make your iron door stand out this summer. Number 1. Decorations. Decorations are a fantastic way to infuse personality and charm into your iron door. One of the most popular kinds of decor are wreaths. Hang a seasonal wreath on your iron door to create a warm and inviting atmosphere, and opt for vibrant colors during the summer months. Another great way to accent your door this summer is by incorporating decorative ribbons. We recommend that they match the color scheme of your other decorations, as to not distract from the main focal point, your door. Number 2. Plants and greenery. Integrating plants around your iron door not only adds natural beauty, but also creates a refreshing atmosphere. The simplest way to add greenery around your door is by using potted plants. Place potted plants on either side of your iron door to create symmetry and a welcoming entrance. Select a variety of plants that thrive in your summer climate, such as colorful flowers, cascading vines, or lush greenery. Ensure the pots are in proportion to the door's size, and choose decorative containers that complement your exterior decor. Number 3. Clean your door regularly. Though commonly overlooked, keeping your iron door clean over the summer is crucial. Throughout the season, as many of us are more active, it's likely that there will be increased foot traffic heading in and out of the door. This leads to marks and scuffs. Regular and routine cleaning will combat this extra traffic and keep your iron door looking vibrant and new all summer. For more iron door tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to the channel and visit us at TuscanEntries.com.